So getting a bit more specific, the rhythm of your cycle is broken into phases. This is just how we talk about the different things happening. So again, starting on day 1, this is your period. And so for the first 5 days or so, we call it the menstrual phase. And then up until about like day 12 or 13, we call this the follicular phase. And that's on purpose. It's because your follicles are maturing into eggs, and one of those lucky eggs is going to get released at ovulation. 2 eggs if you're gonna have twins, but that's beside the point. So follicular phase is between your period and then leading up to the ovulatory time. So then right in the middle of your cycle, we'll say like approximately days 12 to 16 in a 28-day cycle is your ovulatory phase. And so that's when an egg is released. If there's sperm present to fertilize it, that's how we make babies. If there isn't sperm present to fertilize it, the egg just goes on its merry way and will eventually, be shed during your next period. That time after ovulation is called the luteal phase. And this is when your body is either starting pregnancy because you did conceive here, or your body is getting ready to, shed the uterine lining and have another period, and then we're starting back at day 1. So the point of this whole explanation is just to establish that your body goes through these predictable phases each cycle. And we're going to get into what's happening with hormones in your body during each phase, what's happening with different symptoms that you can observe in yourself for each phase. And then we're going to talk about what you can do to sort of document what's going on. And that's what we mean by tracking your cycle, to the point that you can predict when your ovulation will be, or when your fertile window, if you're trying to conceive, will be. And then also how you can confirm that you actually did ovulate. So ways that you can collect data about your own body to better understand what's happening here. An important note is that if you are taking hormonal birth control, this is not happening. It's sort of like a fake out, because you can take the sugar pills the last week and it like seems like you have a period that last week, and it seems like you're sort of following a cycle, but you are not. Hormonal birth control is going to change the amounts of hormones that your body's releasing at different points, so that you do not go through these phases of a non-hormonally regulated, non-birth control regulated cycle. So that's important to establish. We're talking about someone who is not taking hormonal birth control. This is essentially what's happening to your body each phase.